Hey guys, Ryan here. Think you know all there is about driving? Think again. Did you know most drivers, yes, even the seasoned ones, are unknowingly making mistakes that silently damage their cars and put their safety at risk? From a simple trick to start your engine faster on freezing mornings to an easy way to escape mud, snow, or sand without calling for help, I'm sharing 11 pro tips that will transform how you drive. And here's the kicker. These aren't the same old check your mirrors tips you've heard a million times. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only feel like a smarter driver, you'll actually be one. Plus, there's a bonus tip at the end that could save you from a roadside disaster. But before that, like and subscribe for daily uploads like this. 1. Prevent frozen wiper blades in winter. Winter mornings can be tough, but frozen wiper blades make them even worse. Picture this. You're rushing to work, but your wipers are stuck to the windshield, and trying to use them could rip the rubber or damage the motor. Here's an easy hack to avoid this headache. Before the frost sets in, simply remove the wiper blades overnight. It's a quick and simple step that can save you from frustration and costly repairs. And remember, never run your wipers on a dry windshield. It's like dragging sandpaper across glass. Wipers are designed for wet surfaces, and using them dry wears out the rubber faster, leaving streaks and reducing visibility. So, take a moment to prep your wipers, and you'll thank yourself the next time winter throws you a curveball. 2. Avoid breathing in toxic substances on hot days. Imagine it's a blazing summer day, and your car has been baking in the sun for hours. You step inside, eager to cool off, and instinctively crank up the AC. But wait, did you know your car's AC system can accumulate harmful substances when exposed to extreme heat? That first blast of air might be circulating toxins you don't want to breathe. Instead, here's a smarter, healthier way to cool down. Before turning on the AC, roll down all the windows and drive for a minute to naturally flush out the hot air. It's a simple trick that keeps the air cleaner and your lungs happier. Plus, it helps the AC work more efficiently by starting with a cooler cabin. Next time you're tempted to blast the AC immediately, remember this tip. It's a small habit with big health benefits. 3. Keep your AC and heater running year-round. Did you know letting your car's AC or heater hibernate for months can actually harm the system? Picture this. It's the first scorching day of summer, and you turn on your AC, only to find it's not working. That's because the components inside need regular use to stay functional. Here's a pro tip. Even in the dead of winter, run your AC for at least 30 seconds once a month. This keeps the compressor lubricated and prevents seals from drying out. The same goes for your heater in summer. Give it a quick run to ensure it's ready when cold weather hits. These quick check-ins can save you from unexpected breakdowns and expensive repairs. So, treat your car's climate system like a gym membership. Regular exercise keeps it in shape. A few seconds of effort today will ensure comfort all year round. 4. Overtaking safely on narrow roads. Overtaking on a narrow 2-lane road is often necessary to keep up with your schedule, but it's one of the riskiest maneuvers you can make as a driver. Many accidents happen because drivers misjudge the distance or speed of oncoming traffic. Here's a pro tip. If you ever feel unsure about having enough time to complete the overtaking maneuver, don't try to swerve onto the shoulder or roadside to finish. Doing so could result in hitting debris, losing control, or even a collision. Instead, safely return to your original lane and wait for a better opportunity. Always use your turn signals to indicate your intentions and double-check blind spots and mirrors before moving. It's better to lose a few seconds than to risk a life-threatening accident. Mastering this judgment makes you not just a good driver, but a responsible one. 5. Starting your car in extreme cold. When temperatures dip below 14 degrees, starting your car can feel like waking a grumpy bear from hibernation. Cold weather thickens your car's fluids, making it harder for the engine to turn over. But here's a genius trick to make cold starts easier. Before starting the engine, switch on your high beams for 3 to 5 seconds. This might sound odd, but it actually works. The lights draw a small amount of current, warming up your battery and waking up your car's electrical system. This brief pre-warming makes it easier for the starter motor to crank the engine. It's a simple step, but it can save you from draining your battery or struggling on frigid mornings. So, the next time you're facing a freezing start, give your headlights the spotlight. It's a small trick with big results. 6. Getting unstuck from mud, sand, or snow. Getting stuck in mud, sand, or snow can be frustrating and nerve-wracking, especially if you're in a hurry. But don't panic. There's a smart way to free your car without calling for help. If spinning your wheels isn't working, stop immediately. Continuing to rev the engine will only dig you in deeper. Instead, here's a pro tip. Let some air out of your tires, reducing the pressure by about 50%. This increases the surface area of the tire, giving it better grip on the loose surface. Once you're free, use a portable air compressor to re-inflate your tires to the proper level before driving. It's a simple yet effective trick that can turn a hopeless situation into a quick recovery. Remember, staying calm and thinking strategically can get you out of sticky situations and back on the road in no time. 7. Watch other drivers' wheels on narrow roads. When you're driving on a narrow road with traffic flowing in your direction, the behavior of other drivers can sometimes be unpredictable. Here's a pro tip. Keep a close eye on the front wheels of the cars around you. The wheels often give away a driver's intentions before their turn signals do, or even before they realize it themselves. For instance, if you see the wheels start to angle toward your lane, it could mean the driver is planning to swerve, change lanes, or make a sudden turn. This extra bit of awareness can give you valuable reaction time to adjust your speed or position. And remember, if a driver's actions seem erratic or overly cautious, be proactive. Don't wait for them to signal trouble. Anticipating behavior based on subtle cues like wheel movement makes you a safer and more prepared driver. 8. Keep your remote key safe. Your car's remote key might seem like a simple gadget, but it's a lifeline for accessing and securing your vehicle. Here's a pro tip. Keep your remote key separate from the rest of your keys and always in your pocket. Why? In emergencies, like locking yourself out or misplacing your primary key, having the remote handy can save the day. Plus, storing it separately reduces wear and tear caused by dangling with heavier keys. And one more thing, don't activate the anti-theft mode just for fun. It's a serious feature meant to protect your car, not a toy to play with. Misusing it can drain your car's battery or leave you locked out when you least expect it. Treat your remote key with care and intention. It's a small change that adds a layer of security and convenience to your driving experience. 9. Don't forget to clean your window. Molding. It's easy to focus on keeping your windshield sparkling clean, but what about the rubber molding around your side windows? Over time, dirt, debris, and grime can build up in these areas, causing the seals to wear out and even leading to leaks. Here's a pro tip. Include the rubber molding in your regular car cleaning routine. Use a damp cloth or a soft brush to gently clean the grooves and edges. Not only does this help maintain a proper seal, but it also prevents debris from scratching your windows when you roll them up or down. This small effort keeps your car looking sharp and protects it from costly repairs in the long run. So the next time you clean your car, don't skip this often overlooked spot. It's the little details that make a big difference. 10. Always park facing outwards for a quick exit. When you pull into a parking space, it's tempting to park nose in because it feels quicker. But here's a pro tip. Always park facing out whenever possible. Why? In an emergency, a forward-facing position can save precious seconds, whether you need to leave quickly or assist someone. It also makes navigating tight spaces much easier, especially in busy lots or areas with limited visibility. Backing into a space may take a little longer up front, but it's much safer than reversing out into traffic or pedestrians later. Plus, it gives you a clear view of your surroundings when you're ready to leave. Think of it as a small investment in convenience and safety. Your future self will thank you when you avoid a close call or a frustrating situation. So make reverse parking a habit and enjoy smoother exits every time. 11. The flashlight trick for emergencies. Picture this. You're stranded on a dark road at night, and your phone's battery is almost dead. What now? Here's a pro tip. Always keep a small flashlight in your car. A flashlight is more than just a tool for visibility. It can be a lifesaver. Use it to inspect your engine, check under your car, or even signal for help if you're stuck. Look for a flashlight with a strobe function, as it's great for catching the attention of passing vehicles or emergency responders. Choose one that's lightweight, durable, and easy to store in your glove compartment or door pocket. Unlike your phone, a dedicated flashlight won't run out of battery when you need it most. This simple addition to your car's emergency kit ensures you're prepared for whatever the road throws your way, day or night. Bonus tip: carry a portable air compressor. Imagine you're miles from the nearest service station, stuck with deflated tires after getting out of mud or snow, or worse, noticing a slow leak. Don't sweat it. A portable air compressor is your secret weapon. This handy device lets you refill your tires anywhere, saving you time, money, and stress. Look for a compact model that plugs into your car's cigarette lighter or runs on a rechargeable battery. Many models even come with digital pressure gauges to ensure accurate inflation. A portable air compressor isn't just useful for emergencies. It's also great for maintaining proper tire pressure, which improves fuel efficiency, extends tire life, and enhances safety. Toss one in your trunk, and you'll have peace of mind knowing you're prepared for unexpected situations. It's a small investment that pays off big when the road throws you a curveball.